In modern filtration manufacturing, proper welding of the end cap is critical to ensure a leak-free melt-blown filter cartridge. In this video, we will show how the welding process works and how advanced equipment from filter cartridge end cap welding machine manufacturer Indro improves production efficiency and sealing quality. Melt-blown filter cartridges are widely used in water treatment, food processing, pharmaceuticals, and chemical filtration. They are made from polypropylene fibers that form a gradient density structure, providing excellent particle retention and high dirt holding capacity. Before welding begins, several components must be prepared: melt-blown filter cartridge body, plastic end caps, center core if required, welding fixture, or positioning device. Clean components and precise alignment are essential for achieving consistent welding. Results: the end cap plays a crucial role in the structure of the filter cartridge. Proper welding ensures secure bonding between the filter media and plastic cap, leak-free filtration performance, mechanical strength during operation, long service life of the cartridge. Without a reliable welding process, filtration systems may experience bypass leakage and reduced efficiency. Professional manufacturing lines using specialized equipment designed for filter production. Machines developed by Filter Cartridge End Cap Welding Machine. Manufacturer Indro provides stable heating, precise pressure control, and consistent welding quality. These machines are designed specifically for high efficiency cartridge assembly in industrial filtration factories. The typical end cap welding process includes the following steps. Step 1. Positioning. The melt-blown cartridge is placed into the welding fixture to ensure proper alignment. Step 2. Heating. The welding system heats the contact surface between the filter media and the plastic end cap. Step 3. Pressing. Controlled pressure is applied so the melted surfaces bond together. Step 4. Cooling. After the welding cycle, the joint is cooled to form a strong and durable seal. Equipment from Filter Cartridge End Cap Welding Machine manufacturers. Indro ensures that each step is precisely controlled for stable production. After welding, each filter cartridge should undergo inspection to verify welding strength, alignment accuracy, seal integrity, visual appearance. High-quality welding guarantees that the filter cartridge performs reliably in demanding filtration systems. Using automated systems from Filter Cartridge End Cap Welding Machine manufacturers, Indro offers several benefits: consistent welding quality, higher production efficiency, reduced labor costs, lower defect rate, suitable for large-scale manufacturing. These advantages make automated welding an essential part of modern filter cartridge production lines. Filter Cartridge End Cap Welding Machine manufacturer, Indro. Contact with us for more filtration manufacturing technology.